Edmund Husserl, Logical Investigations, Volume 3, Elements of a Phenomenological Elucidation of Knowledge. Every thought takes place in certain acts which appear in connection with the discourse which expresses it. It is in these acts that the source of all valid units is found. The meaning of the expressions lies in the intentional essence of the acts in question. The ultimate fulfillment represents an ideal of perfection always residing in a corresponding perception. It is here that being is realized in the sense of truth. The realization of a wish takes place in an act that includes an identification. The intention of the wish cannot prove its satisfaction, replacement of imagination by conviction. All fulfillment is an identification. The intention always comes to coincide with the act which gives it plenitude. The intentional essence of the intuitive act is adequate. The goal is absolute knowledge. Representations of representations simply relate to other representations by taking them as their object. The essence of representing plays the role of fulfilling intuition. Any identification or any differentiation is a positional act. The ideal of adequacy gives the evidence. Truth is an identity. The full concordance between the intended and the given is such. Judgment is a positional act. In sensible perception, the external thing appears to us all at once as soon as our gaze falls on it. Any concrete sensible object is purely and simply perceptible in the mode of an explicit object. Relationship between a whole and its parts. The part is in the whole. There is only one representative content for each kind of founded acts. The acts of thought are categorical acts by means of which judgments acquire their plenitude and finally all their value of knowledge. Thinking and judging are identified. The term phenomenon refers preferably to acts of intuitive representation, therefore to acts of perception. Phenomenon. The concrete experience of intuition. Phenomenology means the theory of experiences in general, including all the not only real but also intentional data that can be clearly detected in experiences. Pure phenomenology is the theory of the essence of pure phenomena, those of the pure consciousness of a pure self. Perceived means what appears in perception. The intended object or intentional object is not immanent in the phenomenal act. There is nothing indubitable and obvious except the perception of our own real experiences. Knowledge, joy, desire really exist. Color, sound, warmth exist only phenomenally and intentionally.